What to do, y'all? Back here with another video. Actually on my break right now. Gotta head back to work in about 30 minutes, but I got a package in the mail, so it has begun. It has begun. Let me flip this camera around. And bow, there it is right there. Brian Tooley Racing, BTR. Haven't owned anything BTR, so I thought that I would try it out and go with it. This is a engine gasket set for my 6.0, for my 6.0 swap. And it comes with everything that I need except for the intake manifold gaskets. They don't supply that because there's so many variations of different intakes that people use, and so they don't offer that in their kit. So one reason why I got this one is because of the LS9 MLS gaskets. They're supposed to be the better of them all, and you know, if you ever want to boost it down the road or anything like that, they can handle supercharged or boosted applications really well. So yep, got my MLS gaskets, front and back seals. I haven't even opened this up yet. I mean, everything that you need to do a swap. I mean, even the little barbell and everything. I'm actually gonna buy a different barbell. They make a billet one that's supposed to be a little bit more durable, and this part here is actually supposed to be a little bit more like thinner, but also helps to flow the oil through the oil passages a little bit better. So I have a barbell one in my 5.3, so I'm just gonna order another billet one too. But that's pretty much everything you need. It was about I don't know, 300 bucks or something like that, $330. But there it is right there. It comes with everything that you need to do your swap. So I thought I would just spend a little bit more money to try something a little bit more name brand. I've always heard good things about BTR, and so that's why I ordered it. So again, BTR Engine Gasket Kit. Maybe I'll put a link in the description just so you guys can see or look at it if you're looking at buying a new engine gasket kit for yours as well. Also, what else came in the mail? Wow, well, this didn't come in the mail. I actually found these off Craigslist. So I've been wanting or needing some hood hinges for my car, for my Chevelle. It didn't come with any. And, you know, looking online when you go to LPGI or anywhere else, you know, looking at new ones, they're about $200 just for the hinges, not the spring. I actually have some springs. And I came across an ad on Craigslist. The guy was selling them for 25 bucks. And actually ended up being local to me. So I went and met him. And sure enough, it was an old guy who had a really extremely nice 69 Chevelle. And he actually bought some new anodized hood hinges that were like 800 bucks. I mean, they were super nice. I forgot where he said he got them from, but they're like 800 bucks. They were super clean. They were all like, I don't know, engraved and etched, and they had holes and diamonds in them. Not like real diamonds, but diamond shaped cutouts in them and everything. I forgot where he said he got them from, but 800 bones. I was like, wow. And he was just letting these go for 25. You know, retired guy. He don't care about the money. He just wanted to you know, unload these, and so I picked them up for 25 bucks. So I don't have to paint them or anything, and they should be good to go. And he actually gave me some really nice bolts with them as well too. But that's my update, y'all. Again, BTR Engine Gasket Kit. I don't think anything else is on the bottom of this. I think it's just all just paper. But yep, everything that you need to do your swap. eBay. Again, got them off eBay. I don't think I got them from BTR directly. I got them from somebody who sells their parts. So, but yeah, I'll post a link in the description so you guys can see. And that's about it, y'all. I'm supposed to head back to work here shortly. Nice out today here in the Pacific Northwest. I hope everything is going well where you're at. We'll talk to y'all later. Deuces. Peace out.